In this video, we are going to see how to connect GST200 N series panel and how to configure the same. So first we will see what are browse one loop devices. Yes, you can press one for loop devices again. So here it will show loop 1 how many devices it has detected and loop 2 how many devices, overall how many devices karke you can come to know. So in my case I had connected 8 devices on loop 1, loop 2 is not connected, so I got the total count. So when you install, you should know totally how many devices has connected on each loop, so that count should match here. If it is not matching, we need to do the basic troubleshootings. So what are the basic troubleshoot required? So we want to know if I may connected 100 devices, my panel is detected only 80 or 90. So I want to know what are the devices are not detected. So I from this page I can detect it. I am going back again, browse loop 1 for loop devices. So I can see that loop 1 8 devices. So again, if I want to, I can select here using the up down arrow and select enter. If you click enter, it will show the type of devices. What are the addresses are detected here. So at the initial stage, all the devices in the display should show us no define. Here it is showing optical MCB sounder, no. So by default it will show loop 1. If you see here, loop 1 with the address number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correct it is showing. So loop 1 with the address number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 correct, all the devices are detected in my case. So when you install it in the site, you need to refer here. So physically how much you are connected, what are the addresses has connected, and what are the devices has taken by the panel. So example, if third address is not detected or third address is not showing, address number 1, 2, and then it is directly jumping to 4, you want to check what is the third device, where it is connected, what is the problem, why it is not detecting. It may not detect because the connection is wrong, or the addressing is not wrong, or the device is not properly locked or not properly fixed on the base, and with various reasons this may happen. So we need to do the basic troubleshooting in the field level, and once all these devices are checked and refixed properly and reprogrammed or reassigned properly or reconnected properly, again we need to come to the panel. Again you need to go to system, you need to press, it will ask the password, you need to do the same process. It will, the commissioning password is 24220011, enter, then you need to press and release the SK1 button, so that the panel will do the auto learn process once again. So it will take the devices which is newly found, and finally it will give the final number in the browse page. From here you again need to go to loop 1. The count should increase if you correct the troubles, and again enter into the loop 1. Again now you see what are the devices as detected. So all the addresses come or not. So once it comes, then your first part of commissioning will be complete. Now remaining part will be on through the software, right? So again I am telling, when you do the commissioning at the first time, in my case loop number 1 is showing with the address number 001, 002 showing. Next to that it is mentioned as optical MCB sounder, because this has assigned by myself. When you do this commission at the first time, all the device will be showing as no define. That is the initial display show by the panel, because panel don't know what type of device, what device it is. This device we need to define, then only it will show the corresponding type of device.